Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. You see it's great and looking beautiful. Let's try to create this photo gallery or presentation. The most important thing about this presentation is how to create this effect. For that we need two circles, zoom out, hold nothing but draw a circle. Then you must align it somewhere here and then copy that and paste another one here. But some of you may say how we make them to look mirror. We make it bigger. Okay, it's ready. Now we put it in the center of this. How we can find the center? It's really easy. You can draw a shape here and then put it here, hold Ctrl and Shift, then put it here. Then delete this shape. Now we decrease into size. After decreasing, decrease here too. Now select both of them, set the shape outline to none, shape effect to no fill, and then select this shape and format it. Okay, sometimes it happens. This thing happened, your PowerPoint crashed. Don't click anywhere because when you click it, delete your work. Okay, when we format it, go to shape option here, go to shadows, and in the shadows give it some left and also give it some right. Now copy the picture and the text, paste it here, send it to back, send it to back. Okay, I don't know why it's crashing. Send to back. We don't have these two circles here. We have, oh sorry, we must select this and click it to background fill, and here slide background fill. Now we need to increase them in size, decrease them. Okay, it's good now. Now we need to copy all the other shapes here, paste them here. Now copy this slide, select all three of them. Before doing that, in this slide we select all three of them, go to shape format and group them, and then send them to back. Now copy this slide, bring it here, then copy this slide and bring them here. Now select all the slides and send the transition to morph. Now your slide is ready. But you can do some modification for make it beautifuler. For example, you can delete the shadow. If you delete the shadow, the transition looks like here. It's beautiful, but you can do both ways. Okay, I hope you have a nice time. Until the next lesson.